Are you loving the Flexi, but you're not sure what size to get? Hi, I'm Paula Ram, and I'm going to help you know what your perfect Flexi size is today. Okay, an easy way to figure out your Flexi size is to figure out your base ponytail size, and the easiest way to do that is to compare it to a coin. Alright, so to do that, you just take your ponytail, around the thickest part of your ponytail, wrap your fingers around, take out your fingers and see the circle it made, and you compare that circle to a coin, and that will tell you your base ponytail size. Okay, if the circle you made is the size of a, well, dime, you are a mini base ponytail size. If the circle you made with your ponytail is a nickel, you are an extra small. If the circle you made compares to a quarter, you are a small. And if the circle you made is comparable to a $50, you are a medium. And it's rare to get beyond that for a base ponytail size. Okay, let me show you what my hair is. I'll do that again. Okay, again, wrap your fingers around the base, pull it out, compare it to a coin, and you'll see my thick hair compares to a $50. That is only about 10% of us have hair this thick. Most ladies have a ponytail size of a quarter and are a size small for their ponytail size. Okay, little girls, toddlers would want little minis, okay? Now, when in doubt, always go with a smaller size because you want it very snug and not to slip out. If you are looking for a gift, the most common size is the extra small because this can hold up most ladies half up in some way. Okay, so let me show you how to do a half up. You just pull the sides back and you put your Flexi in like that. Oh, you can see that'll work, but since my hair is kind of thick, I could use a small for my half up, but most ladies can use a extra small in some way. Okay, so now that you know your base ponytail size, you'll want to know how you're going to wear your hair. And as I said, if it's a half up, then an extra small would probably work great for you. If you're doing a ponytail, you go with your base ponytail size. If you're going to go with the tails up, you also use the same size as your base ponytail. Okay, so since mine is a medium, my ponytail size, that means that my tails up size is also a medium. So I go on one side of the twist, come out, the other side, and hook. All right. And that is my tails up. Medium for pony, medium for tails up. Now you can see not all of your hair is in the clip. So if you have more hair in your clip like for a French twist or a messy bun, then you'll want to go up a size. Okay, so for my French twist, since I am a medium ponytail size, I go up to a large for a French twist, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, take the pin, go along one side of the twist, along the scalp, out the other side, and there you have a French twist, and it's not going anywhere. It's super secure. You want it nice and tight and secure so it doesn't slip out. Okay, so let's say that your hair is down halfway down your back or longer. Then you'll want to go up a couple sizes from your base ponytail size to your French twist or messy bun size. And if it's even longer, then you might need to go up a few sizes. Okay, if it's down to the floor, you might need to go up a few. But in general, it's up like one size. Okay, now another tip is The look of leather size, this here is an extra large, but they fit slightly smaller than most flexi. So if you're an in-between size, try getting a look of leather since they run tiny bit small and are great for those in-between sizes. And again, you can see the mega, how much that holds. So if you have dreadlocks or hair down to your ankles, you may need a mega. All right, and remember we have a 90-day sizing guarantee, so don't worry, go ahead and order what you think you are and try it. If it doesn't work, you are welcome to exchange it for free within 90 days. All right guys, hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.